N8N ClickUp. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by typing 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you need to create it first. Once you log in, you'll be directed to the home page. From there, go to the top left corner and click your profile icon. When the drop-down menu appears, click the Settings button to open the settings. Inside the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and search for the Apps option, then click it. Next, click the Generate button to create your token. And once it is ready, click the Copy option to copy the token. Now go to the N8N homepage and click the workflow you want to connect with ClickUp. After opening it, click the plus button and search for ClickUp. Once it appears, click on it. Several options will be displayed. Choose one to proceed. When the pop-up appears, click the Select Credential field, and then click the Create New Credential option. After that, select the Access Token option and paste your copied token into the column. Click Save button, and your ClickUp account is now connected to your workflow.